guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a wig install. I have already made a wig with 3 bundles and 1 frontal, ear to ear. I got the hair from Strawberry Bundles. Link below. You should order. Use code R2020 for a 15% discount. Now, I have already made my wig. She's 24 inches. I got body wave, but I did straighten it out. So it's all straight, natural color. And what I did was put clips in because I am not gluing this down. I am not taping it down. I want to be able to take it on and off. So I put the clips inside, and it also has a band in the back and a little bit of color, not much foundation, because I wanted to put it on and then apply the rest of it, especially across the hairline, because I didn't want anything to get in the gel. So as you can see, I've already braided my hair down, and I did a side part, of course. So I got my side part and my 2 anchor braids. I mean, it's braided all over, but I'm not gonna show y'all my whole head. It is braided, these 2 anchor braids, which is like the most important because I am sliding my clips under there. I do not want this wig to slide back. And oh, y'all probably wondering what these are. So every wig I've ever tried on, they don't cover this. And seeing that it's so close to my hair, my eyebrows, my hairline so close to my eyebrows right here, I don't like it the way it looks either. I feel like it looks a bit more natural when I leave these out. That's another reason why I don't glue. So yeah, I have these 2 anchor braids. My clips gonna go right up underneath it. It doesn't hurt to me. I know some people don't like that, but to me it's fine. I take my wigs on and off. I don't get no headache, no type of irritation or anything like that. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna pull this down. This cap may look a little darker, but it's actually looks pretty good once I put on my wigs. And yeah, nice and snug. Now I do use, gots to be, and I use the yellow kind because I just feel like it just works better than the black. That's just me. Everyone is different. Now what I'm going to do is just lay it across just a little bit. Not a whole lot, because like I said, I like to be able to take this on and off. And move my little things out the way. And make sure I get up in here. Now if you use too much, it can turn like flaky and stuff, so you definitely want to make sure that you're not using a whole lot. And normally the guys to be with this little that I use, I don't sweat a whole lot, so it normally lasts like 3 days. But if I do it light enough, I can take it out by the end of the night. Okay, y'all see that it's not too much. Okay, now let's side this baby on. Like I said, I have clips, so I am going to put this side in and slide it right there. And then I'm going to get this other side and slide that right in there. And the got to be is down. Writing is all down right in there. So let's get this down, and the little ears right here. Let's tack those down. Oh, you can kind of see it's going over my ear a little bit. That side is even. That side is even. And it's tacked down. Now it's on this side. Looks like I got a little piece to get rid of. Okay. Now we're back. Great. If y'all wondering why that is like so blunt right there, it's because that is, oh, that's the comb. My little comb. Okay, now I'm about to tie it down and I'll be back. Yep.
Like I'm gonna keep this on for a few days.
Okay, so I'm gonna just do a little comb through a little bit and then I'm gonna apply my foundation. So it don't look like I have a big one. So I normally use my little Morph packet. Well, yeah, my Morph. And I use the color, oops, sorry, Donut or Debutante. Just depends on lace, really. Now, I'm gonna put this donut through here and see how that works on, oh. Sorry, y'all, I got mirrors everywhere. Cause I gotta look at y'all. It's no mirror, but it looks weird when I don't make eye contact. So y'all gonna see me throughout the whole video going like, eyes going everywhere. So for my edges, I use the Strawberry Bundles Edge Control. Y'all can also pick that up at www.strawberrybundles.com. And I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my natural baby hair. Try not to do too much because I got a face full of makeup. And I hate it when you get product into makeup and then it gets this whole makeup chunky look. It's horrible.
That looks really good. I think I should have it back on my face today. What y'all think? I already formed my part. Let me start playing with life.
Okay, y'all. Y'all wondering who my little friend is back there? Don't pay her no mind, just another one of my wigs. She's a water wave. I'm gonna do her next. A little dent from the ponytail. So on this side, no. So I need to, a little bit right there. Let me flat iron it out just a little bit more. So the flat iron I use is a Babyless Pro. And y'all better be careful if y'all got this, because I mean, if you do have it, you know this thing gets extremely hot. Like extremely hot. And it has like, what, 5 different settings. The highest goes to 465, which I hardly ever use because that is extremely hot. But it gets hot very quick. I love this thing. Titanium plates is very good on coarse hair. So let me get this little dent out right here because I do not like that. Voila, it is going. Do this other side.
I really think I should wear it back, y'all. What y'all think? Nah, let me stop playing.
Okay. I'm done. I'll be playing this all day because I'm really feeling this right now. Okay, tell me what y'all think.
this is how I'm gonna keep my hair. I actually like it better than the side part, but I mainly do side parts all the time.
I just want to get this down, seeing that everything looks so sleek. Figured my edges would too. I couldn't put the foam wrap on it because I am 100% natural, and if I put foam wrap on my hair, it is gonna curl right back up. And I know what I try to do the most is keep heat off of my curls. So I'm always in a wig or some type of weave or some type of protective style, because I do not want that stressed curl look. So many naturals suffer from that.
I am loving this. This is how I'm gonna keep it for now.
Just this, oh my gosh, out my face. It's like got this sleek look. I love it. I'm gonna tie this down. And this is how I'm gonna keep my hair. Like, subscribe, follow, comment below. Let me know what y'all think. And till next time.